Hey everyone, this is Elisa with WTI. These are the CrazycatZ women's leather dressing shoes. I love everything about them. As you can see, they are super unique. I really like this brown color and I appreciate that they are true to size as well. These shoes are leather. They are very comfortable. Their design is super unique. You won't find any others like these. And I want you to see the block heel, the design that it has as well. It's just beautiful all the way around, and this block heel makes it super comfortable. I also appreciate that the sole is anti-slip. You can wear these dressing shoes with either a skirt or with shorts. The quality is great. I have received so many compliments wearing these, and I know you will too. With that being said, I highly recommend these shoes. They are adorable, as you can see, all the way around. And that is my point of view.